Hello, everybody, and welcome to my show. You are tuning in to The Wellness Way with Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Sunday dinner, and it is a simple but delicious salad packed with a lot of nutrients and good stuff. I am now going healthy. I have multiple illnesses, and so now I am changing my lifestyle. And so, as I slowly take things away, I will be replacing them with healthy stuff. I suppose as I grow on my channel, I will find more and more creative ways to implement good nutrition into my lifestyle change. I just want to say thank you for being here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. So now I'm just going to show you how I prepare my salad, and you let me know if you like the salad. Let me know in the comment section what you would do different, if you will pull back one of the ingredients that I use or anything like that. So and I'm going to be showing you a couple of salad dressings that I have. If you have any recommendations or what you like the best, let me know in the comment section. So let's jump into the video. So I am using the boneless, skinless chicken breast. And when I pull it out the family pack, I get them from Walmart most of the time. I slice them in half. That gives me extra chicken breast. And I do not flour my chicken breast. I just use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to fry them and flip them. And I will leave the ingredients on the screen, but that's how I make my boneless, skinless chicken breast, just one of the recipes. And now I will be doing my spinach, my cilantros, my green onion, and my mushroom. I have washed them, rinsed them. I have rinsed them. And I'm just doing a little chopping at the moment, as you can see. And then we'll put it all in the bowl, and I'll show you what else I added to my salad. Yeah, for this dinner right here, this Sunday dinner, I'm just really making it very simple because I'm just going into getting back into salads, and so I can't wait to be creating different salads, even salads with quinoa and without lettuce, and just a variety of different things that I'm going to be doing throughout this channel. And just a simple dump in the bowl. So I'm just mixing my ingredients, but I do want to tell you all my, at the end, I did leave in my little ending of the video. I left in the bloopers of me and my daughter because it was just too sweet to resist. Okay. So that I'm not saying that I'm going to do that in all my videos, but, this was just happened to be our special mommy and daughter moment. So if you could watch this video to the end. But right now I'm just putting, gonna put a little bit of beans on here. Right now I'm just loading everything on the plate. I am going to put my croutons on here. I do have croutons in here, but I like a little bit more going around the plate. I love croutons. I love croutons. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my cheese, just sprinkle a little cheese, just a little bit. I'm going to give myself a little bit of bacon bits, just a little bit, just a little sprinkle. And this is my chicken, and what I have to do is cut up my chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my chicken up. And I think I want a little bit more chicken, okay? So, kind of take. And it's so juicy. It's kind of a lot, but this is my Sunday dinner, and I won't be eating it late. And I'm going to chop up my boil that little part, but that's okay. And I'm going to just throw my little egg on top. And this is my favorite. I actually have ranch, French style, but this is my favorite right here. And I will probably learn how to make my own later on, but raspberry walnut vinaigrette. This is so delicious. And I don't have to use a lot. Salad, isn't it such a beauty? Really, really gorgeous. I love it. And it's really so delicious. So thank you so much for tuning in to The Wellness Way with Sherry. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. So thank you for, you can stay right there. So thank you for, you want to turn around? So thank you for tuning in to The Wellness Way, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you for tuning in to The Wellness Way, and so thank you so much for tuning in to The Wellness Way, and so thank you so much for tuning in to The Wellness Way. So thank you so much for tuning in to The Wellness Way. I hope to see you in the next video, and peace and blessings to you. Have a great day now. Bye. Have a great night. So thank you for tuning into the wellness. So thank you for tuning into the Wellness Way with Sherry. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace and blessings. Bye now.